Teaching children a moral, spiritual, and holistic approach to educational development. Written by El-Moslimany. Chapter 5: The Unity of Truth. IIIT Books in Brief series. Published by International Institute of Islamic Thought, IIIT. Occasionally, a visitor came into the Islamic School of Seattle ingenuously asked, "Do you teach both the religious and secular subjects?" At those times, it was difficult to keep myself from jumping upon my soapbox and shouting, "No, no, no. The concept of secular is alien to Islam. The separation of Islamic studies from the regular subjects in a school setting only feeds into the mentality that sees religion as something separate from life. The notion that there are two truths, one we gain through revelation and another that comes through reason, is contrary to the central Islamic concept of Tawheed. The pathway through which knowledge reaches us varies, but all truth is from the one God. We absolutely cannot assume that by sprinkling a little or even a lot of Islamic studies into the mix, we now have Islamic education. The whole concept of Islamic studies is a Western construction. Islam is not of blind faith, yet, in spite of the commands of urging Muslims to reflect, consider, contemplate, there are many Muslims who are afraid to think, afraid that wonder and questioning will damage their faith. Unfortunately, there has been very little effort to learn from the successes of the past, when Muslims boldly and bravely confronted the knowledge of several civilizations with very different belief and value systems. In spite of major struggles, disagreements, and setbacks, Muslim intellectuals were ultimately successful in integrating the vast body of translated knowledge into a unified but not uniform body of ilm.